hangout vehicle windows.
This is developing big. This is going to be big. I can say that. I'm not selling my feet. It's dropping. Dropping again. Yep, dropping again. See how that down flag just isolated that metal.
Nice. Oh man.
And that's what's going on. Right now. See the difference now? The character of this storm and all that little action we saw before? See how this is clear slotted in?
That whole thing is rotating. It's all rotating.
Well, this is turning into a. This one can produce a wedge. This one looks good easily.
And look at the RFD coming down behind it.
Well, that's what's making it good.
Yeah.
This is going to tornado here.
Yes, it is. Yeah. See,
It's right there. It's right there.
Yeah.
There's the funnel right there.
The funnel's inside that ring.
Yeah, there it is right there.
Yeah.
That actually is looking kind of.
There it is. There it is.
Vortex.
There it is. Right
There it
up
is.
there.
Right there.
Yeah,
It's coming down.
It's coming down. Oh, yeah.
Yeehaw.
Wow. Where are we at?
Actually, I think there's a big one
Yeah,
right in there.
What are you talking about? Wow.
Oh, right here?
Satellite. You might have that down here.
And we have a wedge right for that ring stretch right big.
Around them. Go around. Get out of the road! Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Wow, that's a big one.
Oh, it's yeah, that
Yeah, man, it's all the way down. Still. This is Easton, Heston, Kansas.
It will, but okay, you're good.
Wait, it's down. It's down. There's another one. Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
That's going to be a big one.
Multiple vortex tornado.
it's heading right for that town, guys.
Is it really?
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
It's heading right for
Do
that
not
one
want
town.
that.
Shit, I
Crap.
turn it.
Oh,
What turn
too
it?
late.
No, I can't. It's right in front of us. You know how close that thing is? It's about a half a mile ahead of us. Shit. Hold on, here we go.
Are you still recording, Bob?
Yeah. No, I shut it off.
Look at that.
If it's green, it's not recording. If it's red, it's recording. That is a major tornado. Lord,
Is this
please.
record?
Red is record.
All right, it's recording.
That's getting bigger and bigger. Uh-oh, man, you're damn it.
My what?
Focus, not yours. I'm talking to, Steve, is this your camera? Mine.
Wow, it's turning into wet.
Hillsboro, Kansas. Power's on, tornadoes to the north. Try to visualize it.
How many?
About 3, maybe 4.
Going after a wedge in northeast Kansas.
Power flash. Is that a power flash?
Just saw
It's like
a major stroke light go through the area north and east of McPherson, and where it goes in for another intercept on the same cell, but a much larger nighttime tornado. This is not good, folks. Wow. I'm hoping you can see this on the video.
We walk monitor.
that bend.
Wow. Oh, wow. Man, that thing is huge.